Namaskaram and a very good morning to you all. Myself along with Vani, we welcome you all to the Tyagaraja Aradhana 2024 organized by TAWCT, which is Telugu Association of Western Connecticut. And it's the norm that we start the Aradhana with Pancharatna Kirtanas followed by group performances and concerts. We miss our lead vocalist for Pancharatna Kritis every year for many years, I should say. Srimati Kamakshi Kalyana Sundaram this year due to a prior commitment, but we have wonderful addition of Vidushis. Rasika Muraliji, Ranjita Iyer, Vaishnavi, Hema, Alasya and Saundari. And our violinist we have Gautam Shankar. And welcome to each and every one of you. And thank you for accepting our invitation. Family Aradhana of 2024. And of course I should welcome our Asthar Vidhans. Vidhange Siva Paludurai always for many years. And then Veena Varadai. So welcome you all. And then let's start with the Pancharatna Kirtanas. And Shanta Mami is always, her students always participated in the program here. So welcome you all. And I think Sashi, right? Sai, welcome. So let's start with Pancharatna Kirtanas. Wow, that was awesome, wonderful. One more round of applause. I think we should all give a standing ovation to all these artists. Wonderful. And mandolin sounded so good. This is the first time we had mandolin here. I think this is a special year for TAWCT, 15 years anniversary, and we had mandolin on first time on the stage. Thank you so much. Kalyan, please. Names, right? Whatever your teacher gave me, I'm just reading it out, okay? Akshat Aditya Dilbabu, Asmant Venkatesh, Arav Bharat Sivan, Jia Kapoor, Ryan Mattivanan. So it's a right group, right? Okay. So you're singing Rama Kodandarama? Yeah, go ahead if you are ready, please go ahead. So that was nice, and if you want to just exit or you can sit on the side, so your second group will perform. The second group is going to sing Vandanamu Raghunandana, Ragam Sahana, Aditana. And I want to start. If you all can move, then you all start here. Yeah. So Vandanamu Raghunandanas is sung by Krish Kottapalli, Sarvesh Ram, Shankar Narayan, Ziva Mattivanan, Alekhya Parmi, Smriti Vijay Raghavendra, Saranya Mangala, Sugarna Gupta, Anushka Shenai, Akshara Karmi, and Akash Jain. The second group is going to sing Manavyala Kincharagami, Ragam Navina Kanti, Talam Adi, Kritika Maripalli, Himaja Terala, Sriya Janalagadda, Srija Terala, Himani, Pradeep. That was nice. Thank you all so much, and thanks to your Guru, Srimati Vidya Shankar. Thank you all. Next we are going to have a solo concert by Sivani Janalagadda. Gautam Umashikar began his music journey as an Indian Carnatic vocalist and started learning the violin at the age of 10. A majority of his training was under Vidushi C. N. Srinivasamurthy, a student of the renowned violinist Lalgudi Jayaraman. He was a student of G.R. Murthy of the Dwaram School. Before that, Gautam has performed in Sabhas in Chennai like the Tyaga Brahma, Gana Sabha, Pammal Sadguru Sangeeta Sabha and our live TV. He is currently pursuing a PhD in applied physics at Yale University. Welcome, Gautam. Shiva, Harshita is a student of Shiva. Shiva is very nice. You made your guru proud today. Malladivadu. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then we'll have Manasa sing one song and then we'll have a wonderful concert by Rasika Muraliji. Please stay tuned and we have another exciting program for the day. I mean for the Tyagaraja Day, I meant to say that, not Ugadi, but before the Ugadi program starts, we have one more highlight of the Tyagaraja Day. So please stay tuned. That was wonderful, Karthik. It's a treat to hear all the time. Thank you so much and thank you Shiva and Gautam. Wonderfully played. And next we are going to have performance by Shanta Subramaniam Mami. That was beautiful. Thank you so much and thank you Shanta Mami for being. That was well done, Manasa, and I am so happy we have so much time. Undergo rigorous training from me in advanced musical concepts related to concert performance and vocal health techniques. Earlier, Rasika commenced vocal training with her mother, Guru Srimati Geeta Murali, at the tender age of 5. She was also blessed to be under the violin tutelage of Guru Srimati Tara Anand since age 7. Rasika is a regular performer in the US and India and has performed across the country for many reputed organizations. Rasika, following the footsteps of Guru Ram Prasad, is known for her pure, unswerving adherence to the traditional Bhani. Rasika also teaches Carnatic vocal and violin music to a wide range of students in the US and in India through the Sai Krupa School of Music created by her mother, as well as Sri Palghat Ram Prasad Palghat Mani Iyer School of Music. She is currently based in Connecticut, USA. Wow, I'm very happy that we got to know so many talents in Connecticut. I'm so very happy. Welcome Rasika ji and thank you Shiva again and Gautam for accompanying Rasika ji. Thank you. Stage is all yours. Thank you so much Rasika ji. Oh my God, that was marvelous and powerful. So happy that I asked you to do the concert. Thank you so much. Beautifully supported by Shiva and Gautam. Thank you. I can't get words. I wrote so much in my phone what I have to say in each song, but I'm not able to speak anything. Very powerful, very nice. Thank you so much. 1 second. Listen to Rasika ji even for another half hour, so but next time. Yes, next year maybe 1 hour concert, yes. And Shiva, thank you so much. I know you got to go to the airport to go to Cleveland, but in spite of that, like I said, you are our Asthan Vidwan, so you have to be here. So. Thank you so much. And Gautam, you did a great addition to Danbury, Connecticut, Tyagaraja. Please do come every year and we'll be very happy if you are part of it. Thank you all so much. We have been waiting for this day for the past 4 months now. So this is the last performance. Tyagaraja Divyanama Sankirtanalu by a group of, how many you should have counted by now, right? 25 enthusiastic music lovers, I should say. So they all participated. This was a workshop conducted by Guru Sri Garkipati Prabhakar Gari from India, a renowned music composer who is the founder and director of SS Music Academy, established in 1997, where he teaches vocal and instrumental music for hundreds of aspiring students all over the world. And Guru Garu is the disciple of the legend Padma Vibhushan, Sri Mangalapalli Balamurali Krishna Garu, and he obliged our request to teach us these Divyanama Sankirtana on Zoom. So every week we all used to attend the Zoom sessions and we practiced. They more than me because I had to go on emergency purpose. So but they all practiced every single week. So we have to applaud for that, and we come to vote of thanks later. So we just have to do this little bit introduction. So usually the order of Divyanama Sankirtana is presented by TAWCT Swara Madhuri team symbolize a day in our life, experiencing Rama's divine presence, starting from Melukolu. You all know how we start with Melukolu to Rama, any god we do that, right? And end the day with Pavanipu Seva for Lord Rama, followed by Mangalam. So first song is Melukolu. We hope. I know you must be wondering why we are singing Melukolu. We already woke up, right? No, but somewhere in the world, everybody must be still, the sun is rising. So, but again, we hope this song gently brings you back from meditating state created by performances. So, and to awake Lord Sri Rama within us by encouraging these music lovers and enjoy the wonderful Divyanama Kirtanas and Lord Rama. So let's start. So we are going to have 7 Divyanama Sankirtanas followed by Mangalam. So we are accompanied by Suresh Garu on Mridangam and Veena by Varada Irvanti. So I hope you all enjoyed the Divyanama Sankirtana. Thank you all, ladies and gentlemen. So we had good time, 4 months. It was pleasure. We all learned together, and this is the output we got today. And I think starting from there, I'll start with Suresh Garu and the Mridangam, Sujata Kalluri, Jayashri, Jagan Garu, Kundana, Kala, and Veena we have Varada, and Sangeeta, Pirala, Bharati, sorry if I mess up the names. So Shanta, Sharada Garu, Girija Garu, Sri Lakshmi, Narmada, Shravani, Harita, and Deepa, Pradipta, Prasanna, Vani, Devi, Budugar. We all know Budugar, right? The President Kalyan Adala's wife also is here. So we also dragged her. So anybody can come and sing. It's not that she's very good singer. So I literally dragged her. So and of course Jwala, and then Pravigna, she came from New York to attend this program today. So it took her, I think, 2.5 hours. 3 hours, right? 2 hours. So thank you all, Suresh Garu and Varada. Very nice. Thank you so much for accompanying us. And thank you all.
So Sharda asked me maybe like 2 weeks ago, although she has indicated, and I was so pleased to accompany. I think these are wonderful Bhakti Gitas, and for me it was an opportunity to play with them and learn the songs too. So thank you very much.
And this concludes the Chakaraja Aradhana for this year, and we'll hope to see you all next year. Please be seated because we have the next program coming up, Ugadi program. So I think everybody will be excited for the Ugadi program, right? Not Carnatic, of course. But you know what? Once I always told even my kids or any student or anybody, whoever comes, Lord Rama is there to listen to us. Even if we are alone singing, he is right there. Or Hanuma, he will be there. Once we are singing the glory of Lord Rama, he will be right there sitting. So that's what I believe in that. And today, thank you all ladies, thank you so much. And Jagan Garu, I think in my absence I should acknowledge Jagan Garu and Vani for doing all the practices every week. So I almost missed 7 weeks of practice, but they were nice to coordinate everybody together. And Jagan Garu is every minute he was doing, okay, this Sangiti, that Sangiti, this, sending the all the lyrics, typed in Google Drive, typed in English, Telugu. So it was awesome experience with all of you, and it's a good group of music, Swaramadri team, I should say. And let's keep continuing the same way what we are doing, and what we enjoy doing more than, whether who is better or who is good, bad, there's nothing like that. We enjoyed what we did. Thank you all so much. There is one program coming up by Vivekananda Vedanta Center, Connecticut. If anybody is aware of the Vidushimani NJ Nandini, she is coming and performing. So if anybody is interested, we'll give you the flyers, or please contact me so I can send you the flyers. And you should not miss this concert. NJ Nandini, if you know her, she's a wonderful vocalist. Anybody should, even the kids should come and listen. And she has music classes, each ragam, everything she posts on Facebook. She has classes, how these swaras go with each ragam. So please take this opportunity to come and attend the program. It's on May 19th, Sunday, which is from 2 to 5:15. Seymour, Connecticut. Okay, it's not that far. We drive to so many places, right? This is nothing. So anyway, thank you all so much for listening to us, and thank you all ladies once again, and Jagan Garu and Suresh Garu. Of course, without a photograph, photo will not complete. And like I said, this is the end of the Tyagaraja Aradhana. So we'll see you next. I forgot to acknowledge Kalyan Garu for giving us this opportunity through Swaramadri team, and I literally had to eat his brains to work this happen. So thank you so much, Kalyan Garu. And I think for having 15 years of TAW City, this is what we showed today. So thank you.